In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 10 2026, step by step. Before we begin, a quick note on what this change means. Uninstalling the OneDrive app removes the sync client from your PC, so files will no longer automatically upload or download. It does not delete anything stored in your OneDrive cloud account. Your existing files on the PC will stay where they are, and you can still access your cloud files anytime at the OneDrive website. For the smoothest experience, give OneDrive a moment to finish any active syncs before you remove it, especially if you've just saved large documents. Let's get started. First, open the Windows Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That opens settings instantly. If you're already in another window, this keyboard shortcut brings settings to the front so you can continue right away. Inside settings, look for apps, then open apps and features. On some newer builds of Windows 10, this area may be labeled installed apps, but it's the same place where you manage and remove programs. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your computer. Use the search box in this section to type Microsoft OneDrive. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll. You're looking for the OneDrive entry from Microsoft Corporation. When it appears, click it to expand the options. Choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove Microsoft OneDrive. Click Uninstall again to proceed. If you see a security prompt asking for permission to make changes, approve it. The removal only takes a moment in most cases. You won't need to restart your computer, but if you're prompted to do so, go ahead and restart to finish cleaning up background components. Once it's done, the OneDrive cloud icon should disappear from the taskbar area. The OneDrive folder in File Explorer may still be visible, but it will no longer sync. If you ever want to bring OneDrive back, you can reinstall the app from Microsoft's website or the Microsoft Store and sign in again to resume syncing. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the uninstall button is grayed out, your device may be managed by an organization that controls this setting. Reach out to your administrator. And if you keep critical documents in OneDrive, consider confirming that any recent edits show as synced before you remove the app, so nothing is left pending on your PC. That's it. You've successfully removed Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 10 using the simplest built-in method.